Good morning, little Happy. Did you sleep good? Alright guys, you're gonna watch little Happy have his morning bottle. You ready? Oh boy. Oh. He's hungry. Oh. You'll catch your breath for a minute? Okay. I can feel your belly getting full. So from this time last week, he's eaten a third more at a time. That's a big jump. He's growing. He said, I'm going to show everybody my new crawling skills in my next video. He's like, I've learned a little jump. It's cute. He's learned how to jump. He jumps like a foot. MonkeyBoo's watching us. He's like, if there's one drop left over, I got it. Maybe you catch your breath for a minute? Just for a minute? Let me guess, Happy, you're going to go back to sleep after this. You're already looking kind of sleepy. It's all gone. It's all gone, look. Empty. Good job, Happy. Yeah. Right, you gonna talk to everybody for a minute? Say thank you guys for watching. There he is. He's giving his kisses. Say thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe. Come watch me climbing in my next video. Ain't that right, Happy? Here he comes. Whoa, gotta give him some burps.